Hey man, how's your boat trip?
It was really good. Thanks for asking. I'm gonna tell you a few things about it.
Cool man, lay it on me.
So, we get lost like halfway. And, it comes time where we start having to decide whether we should be drinking a lot of water to hydrate ourselves or conserving it. And after that idea, really, the only thing that was left was a couple of sun-dried raisins.
Tell me more about those raisins.
So, like, the raisins were...
Pretty much the best thing about the whole thing is, Susan was the one who